Hello, my name is Shan and I'm from the web development course, and in this video I'm going to explain about the REST API that I've developed and used in my website project. So this UI that we see here, this page we see here, is going to be the database that's gonna be connected with the website through the API. So you see there are 4 tables here, but I'm not going to implement everything. So the one that I'm going to implement is only for user. So this is the data that is stored in the user, which there's only one for now. And now firstly, before I talk about the API and the things, we are going to take a look about how the API calling first. So this is the core of the REST API, and this is the home URL with the home URL for the REST API, and these lines are for the paging display, so we are not going to use that. And this is the credentials for connecting to the database, for the API to connect to the database, in fact. So as I said, that I'm going to implement is only user, and the one that I'm going to implement is read one function. So this is the query for read one function, and this is for updating for read one, but we are not going to use that. So this file is about what data will the read one return. So before we going into to see how the implementation actually works, we are going to use Postman to see what data it will actually return. So this is the REST API link to connect to it, and in this case, the one user data that we are going to read is going to be with the ID 17, as seen here. The username is Bello. So let's see what it will return, and this is the result of the API query, which it will return a username, the full name, the card number, the bank number, the bank name, sorry, and the address. And now we are going to see how these data are going to get displayed in the website. So this is the homepage of the website that I have developed, and this is after login, of course. So we are going to go to the user profile page, and these are all the data that the REST API returned and being displayed in the page. So this part is the code to call the API, store the variables as here one by one, and displaying the user data. And I have also implemented this read one REST API function in other page, which is the edit payment info as shown as here, the name, the card number, the bank number, fetch, and put as the value of the input boxes. So this is the codes as usual. This is calling the API. This is see if there's any data returned from the API and decode it into a PHP array from JSON array. So this is the data return stored in variables, and these are the codes for the variables to be put into as the value of the text box. And that's all for my REST API demonstration, which I have implemented in my project and website. And thank you.